Well, I'm weak. I'm a weak man when it comes to tech. With my own money, again, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I'm too small. Nobody pays attention. Hopefully, except for you guys that are following me. And I do appreciate each and every one of you that are. While I'm asking, or while I'm talking, hit the like and subscribe button down at the bottom. Hit that bell, and hopefully every time I pop up a video, it'll pop up on your feed. But I couldn't wait. Again, I fell in love with the open ear bone conducting headphones, and I just couldn't wait. So I did it. My own money. I paid for them. It's just my opinion and my opinion only. I got the OpenRun Pro 2, but I got the Mini. Now I got a big old noggin, but I think the Mini is going to fit me even better. So we're going to try those. And since I got it during Mother's Day special, I got a sport belt too. Back in the 80s, these were called fanny packs. So we'll check that out too in a minute. But first, let's look at the OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. Let's unbox them and see what we got. So it looks like a fairly sturdy box. We got a. I was hoping not to rip that off, but I guess I have to. It don't slide. So we'll just rip that off. Put it over here to the side. Let's see what we got. Ooh, nice. Got us a little case for them. Let's see what else we got in the. We got some books and the warranty card. I guess instructions on how to download the app, but we'll file these like we do everything else. And that's everything in the box, so we'll put that to the side. So let's look at the shocks. We got a little handy dandy carrying case. Pretty sturdy. Got the SHOKZ logo right there on it. Zippered. Let's open these up, hopefully. Wow, these are like incredibly small. A whole lot smaller than I thought they would be. Very premium feeling compared to the others. I like how that feels. So got a magnet. Looks like it's got a magnet on them. Kind of keeps them together. Can you see that? Huh. Well, we'll see if it fit. Oh, that fits very nicely. The minis for the win on fit. Now look at this. Now again, I got a big old noggin. I wear big hats. It's a big kind of a running joke in my family, but I got a big old head. And I didn't want the band to be sticking far out like I've seen some other people with it on. But look at that. It fits right against the back of my head. These absolutely feel fantastic. I mean, these feel great. I cannot wait to hear them and see how they sound. So, but the fit. Let's do the shake test. Shake test. Noggin. I get back in my day, it was head banging, but I'm too old for that. I already got dizzy. But absolutely, I mean, these feel absolutely great. Golly, I'm glad I got them. What else is in the box? Let's see. Well, there's your charging cable, USB-C to USB-C. And it looks like it. That's it. That's a nice little handy dandy place to store your charging cable. I like that. Again, this is an effort to get rid of Apple. So, while we still got these on, let's check the sport belt, or as we used to call it in the 80s, the fanny pack. So, let's move this out of the way. All right, there we go. Nice little SHOKZ little bag. That is a skinny, skinny fanny pack. You couldn't get much in there maybe, unless it unfolds. I guess it does. Yes, it unfolds. So you get a little bit in there. Maybe they hid me some money in there. Nope. Kind of a shiny kind of material. It feels pretty good. Don't feel bad. Kind of elastic. We got elastic on the strap, if you can see that. But we got the fanny pack. So, here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pair these up. It does have an app. I'm going to try and go through the app and see what it looks like. And we're going to do a sound test, a first initial sound test, and see how it sounds. Can't play any of that sound on here because I don't want to be copyright struck, and everybody has their own interest, and I understand, completely get it. An artist deserves what an artist deserves. If they create it, it's theirs. So I'll play this at a real low volume so that way I can just hear this, and we'll come back and we'll check and see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, I'm back. I got it paired up to my Samsung S26 Ultra. So we're going to check some music. Let me turn the volume down to make sure that you can hear it on that side, but I haven't listened to it yet, so I'm going to get my honest feedback. Since I'm a child of the 80s, 70s and 80s, I'm going to listen to a band, Tesla. Some of you older gals might have heard of it, but this is a good song of theirs I really like. Games people play. It's kind of slower, but kind of got a good range to it. That sounds good. Wow. That sounds tremendously, absolutely tremendously better than the on bone conducting headphones. Dang, that sounds good. Sorry you can't hear it. I guess I could probably play some generic music, would be fine, but I really wanted to check it and see what it sounds like. I'm gonna go to YouTube now and just find some audio, just speaking, just probably one of these little shorts about something. And that sounds good too. Now with the SHOKZ app, if you can see it right there, you have an option. Let me record the screen. Put my readers on, and look at that. Nothing. No problem on the readers fitting over the ear, fitting on top of it. If you had regular glasses, they could fit right over top of it. No problem at all. No movement, no nothing. So, on the app, now you can see here, it's got your battery percentage. It shows your product. You got EQ mode, so you can change your EQ. Now this is the only place in the app, is the only place you can change the EQ. You can even do a custom EQ. It can pair to multiple devices, at least 2, which that's kind of standard now, so that ain't that big of a deal. But as you can see, not too bad. So far, I would definitely say that these SHOKZ OpenRun 2 with the Mini, again, I got a big head, and this Mini just fits perfectly around the back of my neck. They fit good, they're comfortable, and even, I think even the, compared, and I know this is apples and oranges, but even compared to the bone conducting for the on, I think the temple mounts are substantially smaller as well, because just looking at these on, or wearing these, I don't even see these. Now there's a whole lot of other stats about the dual firing speakers and all that technical stuff. And that's great. And there's nothing wrong with that. And I highly encourage you to watch some videos that people really get into those stats, because it helps you understand what the product is a little bit better. But from my first impression, real world, purchased with my money, I would say these are fantastic. I'm kind of mad I didn't get these sooner. I know a lot of people say these are the best out there, and they, you have these Suntos and Sunto or SUUNTO or the Raycons. I know they really put a blitz out there about those, and maybe I might get those in the future too, just to kind of compare them. But I'm telling you right now, these OpenRun 2s feel fantastic. They sound great. I can't wait to listen to them kind of out walking around and see what they sound like in the real world instead of just in my little area that I film in, and give you a real review a couple weeks from now maybe, and kind of like a 2 weeks later video, and talk about my impressions and how they fit, long-term review. So until then, give me a like, subscribe, and ring that little bell over there so that way any new videos and my follow-up video will get right straight to your inbox. And while you're at it, put some comments in there. What's your favorite bone conducting headphones? So far, and again, I've just not got these, but by far, other than the two cheap ones, this is definitely a major win, and I am so excited about them. Again, bought these with my own money. Nobody's paying me. This is my own personal experience and personal impressions. So, tune back in next time when we do a long-term review of the SHOKZ OpenRun 2 Mini. And until next time, we'll see.